So first off, I want to say happy Hispanic Heritage Month to all of my Latinos out there. Love you guys. This week we celebrated on the 16th of September, Mexican Independence Day. Here we go. What up, fam? Welcome to Toy's Food Chronicles. I am Toy, and we are here bringing people together through the soul and spirit of food. This channel was made to help the average home cook and backyard grill cook prepare stunning meals for your families and guests. And yes, it is international time right now. So we were celebrating this week with some pozole. We made our pozole with chicken. I understand that you could probably make it with some different meats, but we did chicken breast. Some people use chicken thigh, some people use beef and different things like that. Some people use goat or lamb and things like that. So we are doing it according to my wife's family's tradition in Mexico City. So before we did anything, we took 6 guajillo chilies and we boiled them. And once they were boiled, we scraped the seeds out. We sliced them and we scraped the seeds out to make sure that we didn't have a lot of seeds. We didn't want our pozole to be too spicy. Let's start out with how we're starting. We poured in first the hominy, and then we filled those same cans up until we got a little over half of the Instapot with water, so we could make this broth or soup. Pozole is a soup, by the way. Then we took our other ingredients, such as the onion, the garlic, and we also put in some bay leaves. We closed the top down, set that to 8 minutes. We heated that up in the pressure. Then we opened that up. Then we put in our 2 pretty decently sized chicken breasts. And we put in some salt and we put in some pepper. And then we closed it up and we heated this up for 20 minutes under pressure cooker. Then we released the pressure. So we released the pressure, and that was really, really cool, really fun, really fine. So while the pressure cooker is going, we are going to blend our mixture with our guajillo chilies and 3 cloves of garlic. We'll put it in the blender and we'll blend. Very simple solution, but it is packed with flavor. This is going to give our pozole that really deep red look and a little bit of kick and a little bit of flavor in there as well. We also put in some chili powder. We also put in some tahini. All right, so once our chicken was done and the pozole was ready and we added our flavor to it, we took a little bit of lettuce, we sliced it up. We took some lettuce and we chopped that up. We took some radish and we sliced those, and we grabbed tostadas and we grabbed sour cream and tahini and chili powder, and it was good. I tell you, the flavor is amazing. Thank you for watching once again, and I hope you enjoyed this episode and that you make this for your next holiday, or that you make this any time of the year. They just choose to do this on said holiday, but yes, if you want to make pozole, recipes right here. As I always say, do not love to be loved, love to love. We out. I don't know what I was going to do there. I was going to kiss my fingers or something. I don't know.